Introduction. In New York, a well-designed website is more than just a digital storefront. It's a powerful tool that can elevate or hinder a local business. Customers often judge a business by its online presence, forming opinions from the moment they land on a web page. A website riddled with design flaws can drive potential clients away. Ensuring every element functions seamlessly is key. Common web design mistakes impact both user experience and business growth. Slow loading times frustrate users and drive traffic away. Poor mobile responsiveness makes using a site frustrating for smartphone users, who make up a large chunk of internet traffic. Clear navigation and visually appealing aesthetics also play a major role in retaining visitors and converting them into clients. Fixing these common issues is vital for businesses in New York looking to thrive in a competitive market. Importance of mobile-friendly design. Gone are the days when websites were accessed only from desktops. Nowadays, most people surf the web on their phones. For local businesses, having a mobile-friendly site is not just a perk, it's a necessity. When your site doesn't display well on a mobile device, potential customers quickly lose patience and might turn to a competitor. A mobile responsive design is more than just making your website look good on a smartphone screen. It involves ensuring that text is readable without zooming in, buttons and links are easy to tap, and images load quickly without losing quality. It also means your site should adapt seamlessly to different screen sizes, whether someone's using a small smartphone or a larger tablet. When a website caters well to mobile devices, it naturally helps retain visitors and encourages them to explore what the business offers. Imagine a local bakery. If a customer lands on their site through their phone and finds it simple to browse, view the menu, and even place an order, all without pinching and zooming, they're likely to complete the transaction. On the other hand, a clunky mobile experience could easily lead them to abandon their quest for the perfect cupcake. Overall, creating a mobile-friendly environment ensures businesses don't miss out on valuable traffic, especially from those on the go. Optimizing site speed can make or break a user's experience when they visit your website. Imagine clicking on a site that takes ages to load. Chances are you'll lose interest and move on to another option. Slow loading times frustrate visitors and can even affect your site's ranking on search engines. To improve your site's speed, here are some practical steps. Image optimization. Compress images without losing quality. Use tools that reduce file sizes effectively, allowing your pages to load faster. Minimize code. Simplify HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Clean, well-organized code ensures quicker load times. Leverage browser. Caching. Enable this to allow users' browsers to store certain data, reducing load times for repeat visitors. Use a content delivery network, CDN. Distribute your site's resources across multiple servers, ensuring faster loading by serving content from the closest location to the user. Taking these measures can greatly enhance the user experience, keeping visitors engaged and encouraging them to explore more of what you have to offer. Enhancing navigation. Smooth navigation is a cornerstone of a user-friendly website. If visitors can't find what they're looking for easily, they won't stick around for long. Ensuring navigation is intuitive and straightforward will make a significant difference. To streamline your website's menu, keep menus simple and organized. Group related pages under common headings. Use clear descriptive labels that indicate what a page is about. Make sure your search function is prominently visible and works efficiently. Include a home button on the menu to allow users to easily find their way back. Clear navigation makes it easy for visitors to locate information and services without frustration, which in turn boosts the likelihood of them staying on your site and exploring further. Visual appeal and branding. First impressions matter immensely, and your website's design plays a big role in how potential customers perceive your brand. A visually appealing website with consistent branding helps build trust with your audience. Here are ways to ensure your website reflects your brand's identity. Choose a color scheme that matches your branding and appeals to your target audience. Select fonts that are easy to read and consistent with your brand's style. Ensure your logo is prominently displayed and links back to the homepage. Use high-quality images and graphics that enhance your message rather than clutter the page. A professionally designed website not only looks attractive but also tells a story about your brand, making it memorable for your visitors. Clear and compelling. Calls to action, CTAs. A good CTA can guide users on what action to take next, whether it's making a purchase, signing up for updates, or reaching out for more information. Clear and concise CTAs play a pivotal role in converting visitors into customers. Tips for effective CTAs include: be specific about what action you want users to take. Sign up today is more compelling than click here. Make CTAs stand out visually from the rest of your content using buttons or contrasting colors. Place CTAs where visitors naturally focus, such as at the end of engaging content or in the sidebar. Well-crafted CTAs can significantly enhance user interaction and drive your website's goals forward. Fix web design issues for local businesses. Creating a website that's both functional and attractive is a continuous process. Regular updates ensure that your site remains fresh and aligned with your business goals. It's a good idea to periodically evaluate your current design, seeking opportunities to apply newfound strategies or incorporate the latest trends. By fixing design hiccups and continually refining your approach, you position your business to make the most out of its online presence. Staying proactive in web design can keep your brand relevant and engaging, encouraging visitors to not only view your site, but become repeat clients. Take these strategies to heart, and you'll be well on your way to reaping the benefits of an effective online presence. For businesses aiming at growth in the Big Apple, a strategic approach to online presence is essential. Investing effort into web design for local businesses can significantly boost engagement and customer conversion. If you're ready to enhance your site's effectiveness and visibility, get tailored solutions with Ask 8. We understand the local market's nuances and are here to help your business thrive. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. Augustine, Ask Auggie. Diaz Marketing Campaign, plus Smart Automation, plus Coaching, Mash, Success, Ask Arsh, see Internet Marketing and Lead Generation Services. All the best to your success.